Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox Necklace UGC. Creating your own unique accessories for the Roblox platform can be a really rewarding experience, allowing you to share your creativity with millions of players. We'll go over the entire process, from your initial design ideas all the way through to getting your necklace ready for the Roblox catalog. It's a fantastic opportunity to contribute to the vibrant Roblox community and see your creations come to life in the game world. First, let's dive into the design and 3D modeling phase. Start by sketching out your necklace concept, thinking about its unique style and how it will look on a Roblox avatar. Then, you'll use a 3D modeling program, like Blender, to bring that sketch to life. It's important to keep Roblox's technical requirements in mind during this stage, especially regarding polygon count and proper UV mapping, which will make texturing much easier later on. A well-modeled piece is the foundation of a great UGC item. Next up, we'll focus on texturing and rigging your necklace. Once your 3D model is complete, you'll want to create beautiful, detailed textures using an image editing program. These textures will give your necklace its unique look and feel. After that, rigging is essential. This process connects your necklace to the Roblox avatar's bone structure, allowing it to move realistically with the character. A well-textured and properly rigged necklace will truly stand out in the Roblox experience. Finally, it's time to get your amazing necklace onto the Roblox platform. You'll need to prepare all your files, including the model and textures, making sure they meet Roblox's specific upload guidelines. Then, head over to the Roblox Creator Hub, where you can begin the submission process. You'll add a catchy title, a detailed description, and relevant tags to help players discover your creation. After a final check, you'll submit your necklace for review by the Roblox moderation team. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.